Are you looking for the best countertop water filters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best countertop water filters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brondell Countertop Water Filtration System. Countertop water filters use incredible technology to filter your tap water without the need to install anything under the sink. This one uses a 3-stage patented nanotrap technology, which is typically only found in under-counter systems. It has been tested and certified by the WQA1 Water Quality Association, NSF/ANSI standards and product certification. To comply with NSF/ANSI standards 42, 53, and 372 and will reduce volatile organic compounds, VOCs, chlorines, and lead. 2 In testing, we found that it also removed bad tastes and odors, including those from chlorine and minerals, leaving no perceptible smell and producing a clean taste. Measuring 3.75 by 10.5 by 13.5 inches, this model takes up little room on the counter, and customers agree that it looks sharp with its slim and sleek design. There are 3 filters included, each corresponding with a different filter stage. Stage 1, Composite Plus filter, and Stage 3, Carbon Block filter, require replacements every 6 months, and Stage 2, the Nanotrap filter, requires a replacement about every 12 months. If you have a standard kitchen faucet, the Cypress simply attaches to it using the provided faucet adapter. For non-standard faucets, you can purchase an under-counter water connection separately. During testing, it took about 30 minutes to install this T-valve and hook up the filter to the main cold water line. Once the filter is connected, there's no wait time, simply press a button, and voila, you've got clean water. Filtration type, 3-stage carbon filtration, contaminants filtered, fluoride, chlorine, heavy metals, lead, PFOA, PFOS, others, retains minerals, yes, certified by WQA, dimensions, 10.5 by 13.5 by 3.75 inches, warranty, 1 year. Number 2. AlcaPure Countertop Reverse Osmosis Filter. Some studies suggest that high levels of fluoride in drinking water can damage teeth and weaken bones. 3 Fortunately, there are certain water filters that can remove most of the fluoride present in tap water. 4 This model in particular does an excellent job of that, as the company claims it removes up to 95% of fluoride and up to 99% of other contaminants from tap water. We were particularly impressed that it completely removed an overpowering smell of chlorine and a lighter metallic scent from city-supplied tap water. It also removed the tap water's bitter metallic taste, replacing it with one that's clean, crisp, and light. No installation or assembly is required. The filter sits on your kitchen counter, and all you have to do is plug it in and load tap water into the front. It filters the clean water into the top of the unit through a 4-stage process, including reverse osmosis. The process takes approximately 15 minutes for a half gallon of water, which in testing meant frequent refills of the unfiltered water drawer at the back of the machine. Of note, this device's reverse osmosis membrane and filters have been certified by the International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials, IAPMO, to NSF standards 42 and 58, but it is not a fully NSF-certified product, according to the NSF database. This modern, stylish water filter does take up a bit of counter space and height, measuring 9.5 by 14.5 by 16.25 inches, and is on the higher end of available products. The 3 filters must be replaced about every 12 months, and the reverse osmosis membrane must be replaced about every 2 years. 5 An LED indicator lets you know when it's time to swap them out. Filtration type, reverse osmosis, contaminants filtered, chlorine, industrial chemicals, pesticides, herbicides, turbidity, VOCs, microorganisms, retains minerals, no, certified by IAPMO, dimensions, 9.5 by 14.5 by 16.25 inches, warranty, 1 year. Number 3. Aquasana Clean Water Machine. Water filters can take up quite a bit of countertop space, making Aquasana's slim, quiet clean water machine stand out against the competition. Less than a foot tall, it can be tucked in under an upper cabinet near a power outlet. Unlike gravity-fed systems, power-generated pressure quickly pushes unfiltered water through the system. During testing, we liked how easy it was to press a button and rapidly release filtered water, and then press the button again to stop the flow. In about 15 seconds, 16 ounces of filtered water was ready to drink. We did find it awkward to fill a gallon jug with filtered water, because the dispenser spout only reaches a couple of inches out from the filter housing. We had less spillage when we filled a smaller jar and then transferred the filtered water to a large container. The single-activated carbon filter removes contaminants such as chlorine, and it uses ion exchange and submicron filtration to remove heavy metals, including lead. The tap water we tested initially had slight metallic and chlorine odors, a cloudy appearance, and an aftertaste that the filter removed completely. Unlike some filters, this one doesn't remove minerals that your body needs, like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Tested and certified by WQA, this filter meets NSF standards 42, 53, and 401. We initially set up this filter in about 10 minutes, including flushing the system. The company recommends flushing the system and discarding that water each time you change the filter. A light notifies you when the filter is nearing the end of its life cycle and indicates when it's time to change it. The filters last 6 months and are sold in a pack of 2 for a year's supply of clean water. Filtration type: carbon filtration, ion exchange, and submicron mechanical filtration. Contaminants filtered: removes 78 contaminants, including chlorine, chloramine, lead, VOCs, asbestos, turbidity, mercury, cysts, PFOA/PFOS, herbicides, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and microplastics. Retains minerals. Yes, certified by WQA. Dimensions: 9.7 by 8 by 11.6 inches. Warranty: 1 year. Number 4. Big Berkey Water Filter. When you have the space, a large system lets you fill the tap water tank and then dispense filtered water as needed throughout the day, without requiring constant tank refills. The Big Berkey water filter holds more than 2 gallons of water and is ideal for 2 to 4 people. We found that it removed a slight metallic smell and taste from tap water, producing filtered water with a somewhat earthier and mineral-like taste and silky mouthfeel. The attractive stainless steel system needs 2 upper chamber filters to work properly. The price tag for the filter set seems high until you realize that a pair handles up to 6,000 gallons of water and lasts up to 8 years if you filter 2 gallons per day. The filters can be cleaned if the flow rate slows, and you can add a second pair of filters to the system for even faster flow and double the lifetime volume. A separate pair of fluoride and arsenic filters can also be installed if you need to remove these elements from your water. The filters were tested and certified by Los Angeles County and independent labs to NSF standards 53 and 42. This eco-friendly system doesn't need a faucet or power connection to work, although you'll likely want a sink nearby for refills. The gravity-fed setup did work slowly during testing. Once it's fully filled, filtration starts and takes about an hour per gallon. To serve, simply hold down a lever and let the clean water flow out the system's spigot and into a cup. Please note that Big Berkey will not warranty any items purchased through Amazon. The brand's website reads, "We routinely receive requests for assistance/support from Amazon purchases, and most times are unfortunately unable to provide service support. As a result, and due to the inability of Amazon to assist in policing and removing fraudulent/imitation Berkey products, we do not recommend purchasing through Amazon." Filtration type: carbon filtration and ion exchange with optional post-filtration fluoride filters. Contaminants filtered: heavy metals, VOCs, nitrates, radon 222, trialomethanes, chromium, herbicides, pesticides, organic solvents. Others. Retains minerals. Yes, certified by Los Angeles County and independent labs. Dimensions: 21 by 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Warranty: lifetime. Number 5. AquaTru Countertop Water Filtration System. Reverse osmosis filters water through semi-permeable membranes to clear out physical contaminants such as salt, dirt, and other particulates. The membranes are so fine that they can even filter out microorganisms and contaminants on a molecular level. AquaTru's Countertop Reverse Osmosis Filter goes through a 4-step filtration process to purify drinking water. Fill up the 1-gallon tap water tank and it will flow through 3 long-lasting filters and into the 3-quart clean water tank. We found that this system turns funky-tasting and visibly cloudy tap water into smooth, clear, filtered water with no perceptible taste. Pressing and holding a button pours out water to fill your drinking glass, but the dispenser drips slightly once you remove your finger from the button. Setup required the assembly of a few components, but helpful video instructions made it easy to put together and give the system an initial flush. While it won't take up too much counter space, it does require a wall outlet for power. This sleek, modern-looking water filter comes with a digital display that alerts you when it's time to change the filters, and they're color-coded for easy installation. The system's pre/carbon filter lasts about 6 months, and its carbon VOC filter lasts up to a year, so replacements are sold as a 3-filter bundle. Every 2 years, the reverse osmosis filter needs to be replaced, too. This system has been tested and certified by the IAPMO to meet NSF standards 42, 53, 58, 401, and P473, and the filters remove 83 contaminants, including lead, arsenic, fluoride, chlorine, and nitrates. Filtration type, 4-stage reverse osmosis, contaminants filtered, removes 83 contaminants, including lead, arsenic, PFAs, fluoride, chlorine, and nitrates, retains minerals. No, certified by, tested and certified by IAPMO to meet NSF/ANSI standards 41, 53, 58, 401, dimensions, 14 by 14 by 12 inches, warranty, 1 year.